Hi there and welcome to the channel. So last time out I made a Chinese dish, so I really hope you enjoyed that. Today I thought I'll continue on that vein and I'm going to be making a Thai meal this time. We're going to go for Pad Thai. Also, I've been trying to make healthy dishes, so rather than a chicken or a beef, we're going to use tofu again. So let's get on with it. So there you go, that's my Pad Thai. I hope you enjoyed it. Quick and easy as always. Using tofu is great. It just sucks up all those flavours and just makes for such a great tasting dish. If you need the ingredients, don't forget to check below in the description and you can find everything there. The good thing about this dish, it's vegan too, so what's not to like about it? If you liked it, please hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, that would really help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.